Okay, so the cicada left its skin, or its carcass, or whatever it is. He molted on my wife's flip-flop. And there's the cicada freshly out of its shell. I do not like these bugs at all. And there's the eyes. But these are the ones that you hear. What are you doing? Rosie, what are you eating? What are you eating? Hey, what are you eating? But anyway, I guess it can't fly yet, but the sound they make is the that you hear. Let me see if I can get him to do anything. Oh, makes me jump. You gonna chirp? Rosie, what are you eating? Are you not gonna chirp? Rosie! Oh! I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah. That's a cicada.